The modern typewriter was developed by Christopher Latham Sholes in 1868, revolutionizing the writing process. Sholes designed a machine that allowed letters to be arranged systematically and typed via a keyboard. The first typewriter model was created to increase writing speed and quickly gained popularity. This invention facilitated the production of printed text, playing a significant role in journalism, office operations, and written communication. Today, modern computer keyboards are based on Sholes' typewriter design. Sholes' leadership made a significant contribution to the evolution of written communication.